work with kitchen furniture and I use many materials, including wood. I was concerned because this type of wood generates residue. You wear the mask, but in the end, you take it off. And when the job is finished, there's still dust in the air. Then I started using this type of sandpaper. It's like a mesh. It doesn't have any perforation. It's like a net. It's transparent. This sanding net creates a super safe environment for me when I'm working. I use it mainly on woods that produce a lot of resin. Pine, oak, just all hardwoods really. Unlike the rest, this net, it doesn't get clogged up. If dust gets stuck to it, all you need to do is this with the air, and it's as good as new. Usually when sanding, a trace is left on the surface that you've just sanded, but in this case, the impact is much smaller as it doesn't leave as much of a trace since the sanding net absorbs all the dust. Because you're not rubbing the dust against the material, it doesn't get scratched, so it doesn't leave any trace. Regarding the budget, less sandpapers are used and less time is wasted when changing them. Cloud of dust in your workspace almost totally disappears. Because in the end, this sanding net absorbs the majority of the dust in the workspace.